Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kerala puttu without any puttu steamer or mold or uh, puttu maker. So for that I have taken 1 cup of puttu podi, that is raw rice puttu podi, which I got it from the store, and then half cup of grated coconut, salt to taste, and 1 spoon of sugar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all this. I will also be using some water for mixing. So as you can see, I've taken a big plate and then I'm going to add the puttu powder first. Nowadays you're getting different varieties of puttu powder, like even ragi powder or wheat powder or corn, so it's totally up to you. Next I'm going to add salt and I'm going to mix everything, mix nicely. Puttu is a very authentic dish of Kerala cuisine, and good thing about Puttu is it's oil free and it's very healthy too, because we'll be serving this with kadala curry, chana, that is chana curry, which is protein rich, so it's very good for very good healthy breakfast. Next I'm going to add some sugar and then grated coconut. Adding sugar is highly optional. And now I'm going to mix everything. As you can see, it's very easy to prepare and very tasty too. Next I'm going to add some water. I'm adding water and now I'm mixing the puttu podi. It should not be too watery. Just if you hold the powder in your fist, it should hold the shape. That's the right consistency. So my puttu podi is almost ready. My puttu podi is ready to cook. As you can see, there is no lump in the mix, and if I'm holding this, it's able to retain the shape. So that's the right consistency. Now I'm going to put this mix in the idli plate. So I've taken idli plate here and I already applied some oil. Now I'm going to put this idli powder, idli mix in the idli plate. So as you can see, it's so simple, it's very easy to make. Usually when we make the puttu, it has to be put in a layer, like first we add coconut, then the puttu powder. So but this is even more easier, we are just mixing everything. As you can see, I already put the mix in the idli plate. Now I'm going to keep this in the pressure cooker. And I'm going to steam this for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, just like we do for the idli, so, or until you see the steam coming up. Now it's almost 5 minutes. I can see the steam coming up. At this stage I'm going to turn it off. My puttu has come out very nicely. I will we can serve this after 1 minute. My puttu has come out very nicely, it's looking great. You can serve this with kadala curry or banana or even pappadam. So I already shared the kadala curry recipe in my previous video. So So I'm going to serve this puttu today with kadala curry and banana. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Take care.